Insecurity matter for Naija go end before December. Rauf Aregbesola. Minister for Interior Rauf Aregbesola don tok say the Buhari administration no go hand over a security challenged country to the next administration. E tok dis one for the National Security Council meeting wey Buhari preside over to review the country security and to give update on the presidential mandate to end insecurity on Thursday for Abuja. Rauf Aregbesola come tok say the strategy wey dem don use for insecurity for Naija don dey sweet im belle and that by December for dis year so all the yamayama for insecurity go dey behind us and pipo wey still dey hands of kidnappers dem go see say dem dey safe and dis tiffy kilikili pipo dem go face the wrath of law. E come throway salute give the Naija police for wetin dem don do for the last governorship election for Anambra, Ekiti and Osun.
The strategy of engagement has changed, and we are happy with the result we are getting. We are moving to the phase of consolidation of all those gains, so that by December, as ordered by the chairman of the council, the president, and which I have said to all Nigerians before now, that we will put essentially most of the challenges of banditry, particularly insurgency, kidnapping for ransom, criminalities of that nature, far behind us. And we are assuring Nigerians that we are concerned about those Nigerians that are still in captivity of these criminals. And we are not sparing efforts. We will get them all out safe. And all those who are today, they are doctors, they are kidnappers, who face the wrath of law. Those elections have demonstrated our commitment to democracy and expression of the will of the people at the polls.
Muhammad Maigari Dinja, the Minister of Police Affairs, come tok say make Naija pipo continue to collaborate with the police and they go continue their best to see say peace dey for Naija.
This is not unusual. We are making every effort to ensure that Nigerians appreciate what the police are doing. Police are there to serve them. The police are there to ensure maintenance of peace and tranquility. And we urge all Nigerians to cooperate with the police to ensure that we maintain peace in this country.
Rauf Aregbesola come chook mouth say some agency don dey pre ten d say dem be security agency for Naija and one be the National Task Force to combat illegal importation of small arms, ammunition and light weapons. E come tok say make the group break up sake of say the law no recognize am.
What I've come here to tell Nigerians through you is that the body should simply disband itself or risk being forcibly so disbanded by all security agencies. It's unknown to Nigerian law. We are not singling out NatForce alone. All such bodies that impersonate security agencies and commit illegality all over the place.
The issue of unlawful weapons, arms, and ammunition are being properly managed by the Office of the NSC. And we don't think any private organization should come into this security issue and try to bastardize it. And that's why we are insisting that they should disband themselves or government will disband them.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any political party or politician.